When I first saw the Pokemon Varoom, I didn't like it, and I went on record saying that I didn't like it. But then I read Varoom's Pokedex entries, which say that it might have been possessed by some unknown poison-type Pokemon, and also that the rocks is not part of its actual body, it's just grabbing them and getting nutrients from them. So now, I'm thinking, right, I'm trying to solve this mystery, I'm trying to line up my cylinders, if you will, right, because it's an unknown poison-type Pokemon, but if it exists out there, we probably can find it, right? And to me, a lot of signs point to either Glimmet or Glimmora being this unknown poison-type Pokemon. Because Glimmet's Scarlet Dex entry says that it absorbs nutrients from cave walls, and cave walls are rocks, which makes it almost exactly like Varoom in that way. But also, Glimmet has yellow eyes like Varoom does, these Pokemon float like Varoom does, like, a lot of stuff is adding up to me. And Glimmet and Glimmora don't seem to be super well known even within the universe of Scarlet and Violet, right? Like, we have our own questions as real life people, like, why is it in Area Zero? Why does Geetha have one? Stuff like that. But even in the game, we see like Arven and Penny get surprised when they see this thing. So at this point, I feel pretty confident that this parasitic poison rock flower is the driving force behind Varoom, but I still have a problem. And that's that Revavroom has a very human-like tongue somehow, and to my knowledge, Glimmet and Glimmora do not. So if they are the ones possessing this Pokemon, then I don't know how this tongue develops. So while I still like the Glimmet hypothesis the best, I think Grimer is also a candidate here. Because in addition to having a tongue, Grimer also feeds on polluted sludge and waste from factories, which is where engines would be made. Now, moving from feeding on sludge to feeding on just any old rock is a bit of a stretch, but I can see a conversion like that happening. But overall, this unexpected mystery behind this Pokemon has actually made me like it a bit more.